Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to see about the topic social breaches in social computing and the course social computing. So this main objective of this video is to make the understand the hidden vulnerabilities in a connected world, mainly and especially in the social media. So before going deeper inside the video, first of all we have to know about what is a social computing. So social computing, it is a platform which covers like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. So you people are so much aware about the social media applications and platforms. They allow large scale of interactions and collaborations, but with this convenience, the hidden vulnerabilities will come in often in a vulnerable form. Our online actions like posts, shares, locations, update, that is application updates, location updates, all these things create digital footprints that attackers can exploit. So beyond traditional hacking, so traditional hacking in the sense breaking the technical barriers, we also have the social breaches. So social breaches which exploits the human behavior and publicly the data will be available. For instance, instead of breaking into your account, someone can collect your public posts and use them to guess your passwords or security questions. Likewise, we can do it. So next one is the let us now see about more breach methods. So understanding social breaches, that is beyond the traditional hacking, we have so many breach methods like traditional hacking, social breaches, etc. Next one is the personal information. So the personal information will be at risks, like everyday users share sensitive details online like birthdays, locations, working informations, even family events also we are posting in the social media. So this data can be misused for scams or identify the theft or blackmail. So whenever we share casually, it may be later affected or it comes against us. So we should be very careful in posting the sensitive informations in the social media. So next slide, we are going to see about the common types of social breaches. So we have like three classifications of social breaches, like on unauthorized data exposure, identity theft, and targeted phishing. So unauthorized data exposure, in the sense it happens when privacy settings are weak or misconfigured. So example, when a personal photo meant for a friends appears publicly. So we used to post a photo that can be appears publicly. So next is the identify theft. Identify theft in the sense the criminals can create a fake profiles or impersonate like others using the stolen information. So victims may face financial losses or reputational harms, etc. So finally, about the targeted phishing, that is the attackers design and convince the emails, messages by studying the user profiles. For instance, an email that looks like from your bank account but uses the details from your LinkedIn profile. So we should be very aware about this. So now we are going to see about the more breach methods. So we have, so apart from that, we have so many breach methods like social engineering, information leaks, etc. Social engineering mainly used to manipulate the trust built online to gain the sensitive data. So example, when a friend on a social media asking for an OTP or a personal ID, etc. So like this way, social engineering data can be breached. Next is the information leaks, where oversharing the details like real-time travel, workplace updates, or family photos. So now and then we are seeing so many real-time updates everywhere, even in the WhatsApp status, etc. All these things should be avoided somewhat, because it really creates lots of problems like information leaks, etc. So it increases bulgaries, shaking, or scams and all. So we people have to avoid all those things. So what will be the impact on the individuals, like privacy loss? So when once the information is leaked, it can stay online forever, so the privacy is lost there. And the next is harassment and stalking, like harassment and stalking. So the leaked details may be used to targeting the victims, like it enables the targeted harassment campaigns, etc., etc. Next is the reputation damage. So reputation damage means, in the sense, the professional and personal lives, they can be ruined by false persons or a false content. Likewise, the informations may be leaked. Next is the financial fraud, like identify theft that can lead to a credit card misuse, fraudulent loans, or direct monetary loss. So next slide, we are going to see about the organizational and social impact. So here we can able to create a brand that is misuse of informations will leads to brand damage, legal liabilities, societal manipulations like fake news, propaganda, and election interference, etc., etc. So all these things should be avoided. Next is the prevention strategies. So we have so many prevention strategies in order to avoid these kinds of problem, like user responsibilities, platform security, digital literacy, etc., etc. Via all these things we can able to prevent the strategy. So these are the some of the challenge which we faced when we overshare the informations in the social computing, like technology solutions, human awareness, etc., etc. So technology solutions, in that we have to build a stronger privacy tools, that is, it may be an AI based monitoring, data security, etc. So when we speak about the human awareness, the educated, cautious, and responsible digital citizens should be very, very aware about this. So only with this dual approach we can make the digital spaces safer for all things. So thank you.